Imagine yourself as a skilled architect building the masterpiece of your own life. Each challenge is a brick that strengthens the fabric of your resilience. Your mind is a ceaseless laboratory of innovation, where curiosity is the flame that never goes out. Each day, you sculpt a stronger, wiser, and more inspiring version of yourself, shaped by the unique journey that only you can walk. Each decision is a brushstroke in the framework of its evolution, and the result is a singular work of art. The best yourself version. You are an endless source of creativity and determination, able to overcome challenges gracefully and learn from each experience to become the best version of yourself. Your potential is limitless, and every step you take is a breakthrough toward an even more extraordinary self. Exploring new skills is like adding valuable tools to your life kit, amplifying your potential to conquer challenges. Expanding your potential to conquer challenges is a continuous journey of self-development, learning, and personal growth. Here are some strategies and principles that can help with this process. 1. Set clear goals. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, known as SMART goals. This gives you clarity on what you want to accomplish. 2. Develop relevant skills. Identify the skills needed to face your challenges and focus on developing them. This can include technical skills, interpersonal skills, and problem-solving skills. 3. Constantly learn. Cultivate a continuous learning mindset. Be open to new ideas, perspectives, and knowledge. The constant pursuit of learning can significantly increase your capabilities. 4. Overcome the fear of failure. Fear of failure can be paralyzing. See failure as an opportunity of learning and growth, rather than a permanent defeat. Often, the greatest successes come after facing challenges and overcoming obstacles. 5. Keep a positive mindset. Cultivate a positive and optimistic mindset. Believing in your ability to overcome challenges is key to facing adversity with resilience and determination. 6. Build resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back quickly from adversity. Cultivate this skill facing challenges head-on, learning from experiences, and adjusting your approach as needed. 7. Establish support networks. Build strong relationships and maintain a support network. Friends, mentors, and colleagues can offer emotional support, practical advice, and valuable perspectives for navigating challenges. 8. Embrace discipline and consistency. Discipline and consistency are key to achieving long-term goals. Establish productive habits and maintain a constant commitment to your goals. 9. Get out of your comfort zone. Growth happens when you challenge yourself. Be willing to step out of your comfort zone, face unfamiliar situations, and experiment with new approaches. 10. Celebrate small achievements. Recognize and celebrate their accomplishments, even the smallest ones. This helps to maintain motivation and build positive momentum over time. Remember that the journey to amplify your potential is unique to each person. Be open to adjusting your approach as needed and learn from each experience. Continuous development is a process, and perseverance is key to achieving meaningful achievements. There is a trail that transforms life's journey into a constant search for self-discovery and growth. Personal development is the art of sculpting a masterpiece of self-knowledge, where each effort shapes a more refined and complete version of who you are. It is a journey without a finish line, a race to become the best version of yourself, always seeking wider horizons. It is continuous, constantly exploring new skills and knowledge to evolve as an individual. Constant knowledge can be considered a master key that unlocks doors to untapped opportunities in various aspects of life. Here are some ways in which continuous knowledge can become a powerful tool for breaking new ground. Adapting to change. In an ever-evolving world, continuous knowledge allows people to adapt quickly to change. The ability to learn new skills and keep up with the latest trends can be crucial to staying relevant in an ever-changing environment. Personal and professional innovation. Constant learning is often a catalyst for innovation. Up-to-date knowledge can inspire new ideas, perspectives, and approaches, driving creativity and the ability to find innovative solutions to challenges. Expanding horizons. Continuous knowledge expands horizons, allowing people to see the world in different ways. This can lead to a deeper understanding of complex issues, as well as the ability to explore new opportunities that might previously have gone unnoticed. Value in the labor market. In a competitive job market, up-to-date knowledge and relevant skills significantly increase an individual's value. Employers are looking for professionals who demonstrate a commitment to continuous learning and improving their skills. Networking and professionals opportunity. Constant knowledge strengthens social and professional interactions. By staying informed about relevant topics, you can participate in meaningful conversations, contribute to discussions, and establish valuable connections that can lead to unexpected opportunities. Entrepreneurship and own initiatives. For entrepreneurs and those pursuing initiatives of their own, continuous knowledge is essential. It helps to identify gaps in the market, understand the needs of the target audience, and develop effective business strategies. Complex problem solving. Constant learning broadens the ability to tackle complex challenges. The more knowledge you have, the larger your intellectual toolbox for approaching problems and finding innovative solutions. Personal development. In addition to the professional benefit, continuous knowledge also contributes to personal development. Provides a sense of accomplishment, it amplifies self-confidence and nurtures a growth mindset. In summary, constant knowledge not only keeps skills sharp but also serves as a guide to opportunities that may not be evident at first glance. Investing in continuous learning is investing in a broader future full of possibilities. In our personal journey, each skill learned is more than a simple accumulation of knowledge. It is a solid brick in the towering edifice that is our enhanced self. As builders of our own existence, each learning experience shapes the foundations of who we are, adding layers of understanding, skill, and perspective to the ever-evolving monument that is our being. Every time we acquire a new skill, we are pushing the boundaries of what we think be possible. It's like adding a vital piece to a complex puzzle, fitting it neatly into the bigger picture of our identity. Whether it's learning a foreign language, mastering a technical aptitude, developing interpersonal skills, or simply enhancing our capacity for resilience, every piece contributes to the construction of a sturdy edifice. Just as a visionary architect conceives a project with care and attention to detail, we, as architects of our own lives, we consciously plan each stage of our growth. Each new skill is not just an isolated achievement, but rather a block that fits organically with the others, strengthening the structure that sustains our aspirations and dreams. As we learn and improve, face challenges and overcome obstacles, we contribute to the grandeur of our inner building. Every mistake made is a learning opportunity, every success is an achievement that elevates the level of our enhanced self. The building we construct is a living expression of our journey, with its various shapes, textures, and colors representing the experiences that have shaped our essence. Over time, our personal building becomes a tangible manifestation of our resilience, determination, and continued growth. As we add brick by brick, we realize that there is no limit to the height we can reach. Every skill learned holds promise for the future, a declaration that we are committed to the constant evolution of ourself. Therefore, let us embrace every learning opportunity as an invitation to erect our personal edifice. May every new brick be laid with intention, every achievement be celebrated with gratitude, for we are carving an enhanced self, a monument that reflects the beauty of the relentless pursuit of knowledge and continuous personal growth. The best way to get to know the best version of ourselves is by using the art of reinventing ourselves. To reinvent oneself is to break the chains of conformism. Challenge situations that discourage you, make you sad, take away your peace, and make you feel defeated and a failure. Embrace constant metamorphosis. Reinventing yourself is not just a choice, but rather a personal revolution that redefines who you are and who you aim to become. Many do not believe in the transformation of the other and mock them, despising their attitudes. But those who know themselves feel the desire to transform the situation in which they find themselves. That's why they surpass themselves. Reinventing oneself is not a common verb found in therapy offices, in advertising or marketing, nor in coaching, television or social media discourse. Reinventing oneself is not about changing one's wife, husband or job, and it is not only for people with advanced age, but for any and all age groups. There are times in life when we feel stuck in time. Sometimes in things that have not been completed, such as projects, studies, training, and relationships. But to rethink your life, to look for the best way of resuming the coherent challenges that once defeated him, as in a war, and made him stop. Do things necessary for this resumption. Seeking the best version of yourself involves authenticity and coherence, prioritizing the truth with yourself and acting in line with your principles, in the face of external expectations. Personal integrity contributes to genuine growth and a deeper sense of accomplishment. When walking the path of authenticity, cultivating compassion for oneself is equally vital. Acknowledging and accepting imperfections is a crucial part of the process of personal evolution, allowing for more balanced growth and a journey of constant self-reflection. Purpose and passion engage in fusion, driving the identification and pursuit of goals aligned with our values. This process confers a profound impact, giving a more meaningful meaning to life. Having the journey of self-discovery and personal improvement in a constant quest to align our actions with our core values and intrinsic passions. Not only does this path positively impact one's own life, but it also inspires others around them. The connection with a deep purpose adds meaning, drives overcoming challenges, and provides a lasting sense of satisfaction. This ongoing search for the best version of yourself is an enriching and transformative journey. In the context of responsible financial growth, seeking the best version of yourself entails adopting sound financial practices. This involves not only increasing resources, but also managing and investing consciously, in line with ethical values. Planning for the future sustainably involves considering not only immediate gains but also ensuring long-term stability, promoting a balance between financial security and positive impact. This approach contributes not only to personal development but also to the well-being of the community. In environmental sustainability, adopting ecologically conscious habits and contributing to the preservation of it will demonstrate the best version of yourself. Our journey of personal improvement is a continuous and dynamic process of construction, where each skill learned contributes to the expansion and strengthening of our inner self. Just like an architect who carefully designs every detail of a work, we shape our own existence through the choices we make, the experiences we seek and, above all, the knowledge we acquire. Constant knowledge is the driving force of this process, acting as the key which unlocks previously unknown ports. It allows us to not only see, but also create opportunities that may remain hidden to those who are hesitant to pursue continuous learning. When we commit to acquiring new skills, we open the door to innovation, creativity, and the discovery of new horizons. Each brick added to the edifice of our enhanced self represents a facet of our growth. From technical skills to interpersonal skills, each achievement contributes to building a solid foundation. As we face challenges, overcome obstacles, and learn from mistakes, we strengthen the pillars of our inner building, making it more resilient and resilient. Resilience plays a crucial role in this construction. It is the ability to bounce back quickly in the face of adversity, turning difficult times into opportunities for learning and growth. Resilience is what keeps it going. It's what holds our personal edifice together, even in the face of life's storms, allowing us to continue the journey with determination and hope. By expanding our horizons, we build bridges between diverse knowledges, creating a web of understanding that enriches our perspective on the world. This openness to diversity of ideas and experiences not only makes us more conscious global citizens, but also broadens opportunities for collaboration and innovation. The construction of the enhanced is therefore a celebration of small wins, a recognition that every step towards learning is an investment in our future. This journey knows no bounds, and the building we build is a unique expression of our constant quest for knowledge, growth, and authenticity. May every skill learned be not just a brick, but an exciting chapter in the narrative of our personal evolution. May we continue to build, enhance, and expand, aware that knowledge is the light that illuminates the path to a more complete and fulfilled self. In every challenge overcome, in every lesson learned, we find the promise of an enhanced self, shaped by the wisdom we have gained along our journey. We are on the path to full realization. Help the channel with your comments and suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell to receive new videos, share and like.